We are at 242 Anthony Court in Buffalo Grove, where we have a 4-bed, 2.5 bath with a finished basement. This is a fully remodeled house, top to bottom, with a new roof, new driveway, new siding, and an absolutely gorgeous screened-in porch. We are situated on a secluded cul-de-sac location. When you walk in, the first thing you're gonna notice is the extra wide staircase going up to the upstairs and the craftsman style crown molding, casing, and baseboards. We have a completely remodeled kitchen with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, a herringbone subway tile, and a large window. We have a beautiful wood-burning fireplace situated right off the screened-in porch. Heading upstairs to the master bedroom, we have an expansive master closet where you can customize your shelving units. We have an attached bath, shower, double bowl vanity, and absolutely gorgeous shiplap. Absolutely stunning craftsmanship at this home. We don't expect it to last long, so contact me at the information below if you want a private tour.